Hello, everybody. You all know me, Sanjay Gopal, founder and CEO of Sanvis Health. I wanted to introduce you to something new and exciting which we are working on at your CareSynchrony team is working on to help you with your screening visitors problems you all are experiencing. You all know you have the Sentinel Kiosk, which is already supports screening of visitors by asking them customizable questions based on evolving CDC guidelines. We are excited to partner with the company to offer you what we call as a Sentinel Thermal Edition, where there is a nice little additional device which can automatically detect your do face recognition. It can actually do a palm bio imprint recognition as well. And most importantly, it can detect an elevated body temperature. And that information can basically flow into CareSynchrony so that it's a seamless experience for your visitors. And not only can it detect the temperatures, but this device can actually help you control access to your communities either during regular hours or after hours, so that if someone is not qualified, if they do not screen with the screen well, answer the questions, expected questions, there's some suspicion, or the body temperature is elevated, you can basically make sure you secure your communities. So excited to partner with the company, our partner Sena-Tech, to bring this offering to your community sometime soon. Thank you.